How to download Terraria on PC or laptop. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app, or also you can launch your Steam account in the web version. After you open it, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in Terraria over there and then search for it. Once Terraria app appears, click on it. Now over here you will find the Terraria game. Now how to install it. Scrolling down you will find the price for the Terraria game. As Terraria is the paid game, you will need to pay this amount to install this game. If you are satisfied with the amount, you can go ahead and click on the option of Add to Cart. Now click on View My Cart. Now in this page, you will be able to find your game. In order to download it, now you have to click on the option of Continue to Payment. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now from here, you can easily provide your payment details. Once you complete this, you will be able to download this app. So provide your payment details, likewise provide your billing information. After you install this, you will be good to go. Terraria app will be installed in your device, and then you can launch the game and play. So this is how you can easily download Terraria on PC or laptop. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.